These are the hidden money moves Walmart's top sellers don't talk about. And you can see right here, our client just for the holiday season made $71,000, right, on Walmart. And it was a pretty decent. Now they ran out of stock, as you can see. Stock got really low, so we can prepare for this upcoming holiday season. But it is definitely possible to make $100,000, even $1 million on Walmart during the holiday season. And the first thing that the big sellers do is it's going to be max out your products, right? So if you're selling a product, right, let's say you're selling Pokemon or you're selling something, a cup, a tennis ball, something that is making a lot of money, it's time to double down on those products. Double down, make sure that you have different SKUs so that way you can generate as much sales as possible. Walmart is a numbers game. So if you're selling a Pokemon item, and you can go to Helium 10, there's a link in the description, it actually tells you how much money they're making per month in revenue on Walmart. And this one's making $39,000 a month. If one product's making $39,000 a month and it's a Pikachu, get more Pikachus, right? Double down, have like 100 different SKUs of Pikachu. It's going to help you increase your sales. That's just how Walmart works. It's really a numbers game. And then once you start getting the numbers in, right, it's time to syndicate your reviews. So there's something called Walmart Review Syndication. More reviews, more selling power, your guide to Walmart customer reviews. So you can actually get a lot more reviews very quickly on Walmart, right? How Walmart collects reviews. So it tells you how they collect reviews, what reviews look like, tips. So there's regular reviews. Somebody buys your product on Walmart, they get it, they leave a review, right? Now there's syndicated reviews. If you have a website or the manufacturer has a website and it shows all of these reviews, maybe it's a Pokemon item and has 1,000 5 stars, you can contact Walmart and get those reviews transferred from your website to Walmart. So all of a sudden you go from 0 reviews to 1,000 reviews on Walmart. That's called review syndication. There's also incentivized reviews, but the review syndication is really how large sellers on Walmart go from 0 to 1,000 reviews extremely quickly, which obviously quadruple sales very quickly. And it pretty much makes sure that you don't have to run ads. And it shows you how to do it. Review syndication, it's free. You can click here to get it. And you can use third-party providers to help you with this, right? There's all these other ways to get reviews, but obviously reviews at the end of the day are huge. And you can go to Walmart and it shows Walmart's review syndication. It's free and you can just sign up right there. So check it out. There's a couple other ways to get reviews, but that's going to be one trick that the Walmart sellers have up their sleeves. Next is going to be working on your listing quality score. So we can see for this client right here, their listing quality score looks a little bit poor right here. And this is for all of their listings. But what we want to do is you can go to the listing quality score tab, it's growth listing quality in Walmart, and get your listings up to excellent. You can see the poor listings have a $600. They're making $600 a month. Good listings are making $700. Excellent listings are making $5,000 a month in sales, a lot higher, right? So you want to get your listing quality score at least to 81%. You can see they focus on their best sellers, and their best sellers have a listing quality score of 97%. And again, it actually tells you, Walmart literally tells you how to get your listing quality score higher. You just click right here and boom, your listing quality score can go up, right? And that's going to help you pretty much get to page number 1. They're pretty much telling you their algorithm. Like a lot of, I don't know, like any platforms that really do this. So this one definitely helps. And the next thing is going to be below the fold content. Something that almost no sellers do. If you go to Coca-Cola, scroll down, this is below the fold content. It's got photos, credibility. It's going to help increase your sales, right? Implement photos, implement videos, because you can also implement videos to your listing. And in order to implement below the fold content, you're just going to go to optimize.ai, sign up for free, And then you can have 5 listings that have free below the fold content, right? Like I just showed you. So you can just pick 5 listing. It's free. There's no credit card sign up. I believe there's a link in the description. I'm not an affiliate at this time, but there's huge potential. Next is going to be running ads for free. If you've never run ads, again, a lot of top sellers, when they first start, they're like, I want to run ads for free. You can see Walmart is literally giving away $2,000 in ad credit. The link should be in the description. If it's not, feel free to message us. But if you haven't run ads before, and or if it's your brand new account, you can get $2,000. And the advertising credit doesn't end until January 31st of 2026. So get it while you can. Walmart's giving away so much free stuff. And this is, again, how people move forward. And the last thing is going to be the back end of your listing. Make sure you go into your listings, especially your best sellers, and just make sure you go through every single section of the back end of your listing and fill it out to the best of your ability, right? There's going to be so many different sections that you probably haven't filled out. Everything helps on Walmart. Walmart actually, even if you just put sometimes just random stuff in there, just because it's filled out, Walmart's algorithm is going to think that your listing is more complete than others and move it up on the page, right? So everything matters on Walmart. Just keep that in mind and fill it out at the end of the day. Now that's it for today's video. And if you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments what to create next. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. We'll manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, and of course, increasing sales. So you can save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.